Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a super useful tool for anyone who wants to truly understand what's happening under the hood of their Android phone. We're talking about PerfMon Plus, a fantastic floating performance monitor tool that can show you real-time data right on top of any other app you're running. Now, before we jump into the installation, let's talk a bit about what PerfMon Plus is and why it's so powerful. Aside from being incredibly useful for power users who want to know what their device is doing, it's also a phenomenal tool for debugging and profiling. One important thing to remember right off the bat, while PerfMon Plus works on any Android phone, some features will show actual real-time data when you grant root permission. For example, features like real-time FPS will be much more accurate and comprehensive on a rooted device. But don't worry, even without root, PerfMon Plus offers a ton of valuable insights. Let's get PerfMon Plus installed on your Android phone. First, you'll need to download the APK on your phone. Once you've downloaded the APK file, tap on the APK to start the installation. You might see a prompt about installing from unknown sources. If you do, make sure to enable it in your settings. After the installation is complete, you can open the app. When you first launch PerfMon Plus, it will ask for a few permissions, like display over other apps or draw over other apps. This is crucial for its floating functionality, so make sure to grant it. If you have a rooted device and want to unlock the full potential, PerfMon Plus will prompt you for root access. Granting this will allow it to display accurate, real-time FPS and more detailed CPU data. Now that it's installed, let's quickly see how to use it. You'll see a small, floating window appear on your screen. You can tap on it to cycle through the different metric categories we discussed: Foreground App, CPU, disk input or output, and network input or output. You can also drag the window around to reposition it wherever it's convenient for you. PerfMon Plus is an incredibly powerful and insightful tool for anyone who wants to truly understand their Android device's performance. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.